So this is the Tecno Camon 50, yung pinakabagong cellphone, mid-range phone right now ni Tecno. So unbox natin to, samahan nyo ako, let's go guys. So from the box itself guys, makikita natin mga information. It has a Sony 50 megapixel camera with IP69 water and dust resistance, which is super high sa presyo na around 10,000 pesos. Corning Gorilla Glass, 256GB of ROM, so hindi ka na mabibitin sa storage, and a 16GB of RAM. On the back naman, nandito yung mga kanyang specifications, 6,500 mAh battery. For some reason, tapos na po ang 5,000 mAh standard battery right now on a smartphone. 6,500 na po para mas matagal malobat. 45 watts, fast charging, 1.5K, 144Hz, ultra bright AMOLED display, and a ultimate MediaTek Helio G200 processor. Unbox na natin to. Let's go guys. Ang dami nag-request sa akin i-unbox natin to kasi yung ibang content creator daw in-unbox na siya. So tara, papakita natin sa inyo guys. Ang pinaka main feature daw neto guys, no, is yung kanyang zoom. So this is the phone itself. Wow! Look at that! Wow! Napakaganda niya guys. Like, grabe. May kamukha siyang, may kamukha siyang cellphone brand na letter S. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the Tecno Camon 50. Napakaganda. On the box, it has, of course, the license by Qualcomm na documentation, 12+1 insurance and warranty, and a jelly case, transparent, and a 40-watt brick with USB-A, and a USB-A to Type-C cable, guys. So, if naghahanap ka ng full review, guys, ng Tecno Camon 50, we will have our full review of this one and a giveaway on the YouTube channel in the future, so make sure naka-follow. And gagawa rin tayo, guys, ng unboxing on the Tecno Camon 50 Ultra. So make sure naka-follow kay Kuya James and see you on the next one.